everyone. I bought a jack stand a while back, and it pretty much is garbage. And it's a well-known one, and I'm not going to mention it, but I decided how hard could it be to make a jack stand. So I decided to design and make one for myself. And this is made out of all aluminum parts that are out of a helicopter, and real heavy duty aluminum. And inside of this cylinder there's a thick aluminum tie rod and these end caps, so this thing is rigid and strong. And then I put a tire on the bottom, so it's got a bigger footprint, better traction when it's on pavement. And it has this curved top and bottom pieces. Now that hooks right underneath the swing arm, and I had to cut a slot out, you can see that, in the skid plate, so that this part can just slip right in there nice and easy like that without any trouble. And I'm just going to go ahead and set the camera down and show you how easy it lifts the bike, both front and rear. Put it right underneath there, wherever you like. Grab onto your pannier rack. Far back there. But, you know, bike ain't going anywhere. It's solid. That's the rear. I have a pin that holds the handle in, I just haven't put it in, so I keep sliding out. And then, if you want to lift up the front, stick it in there, and into it. That front tire spinning, little shake, not going anywhere.